Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with heated front seats, active blind spot monitor, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, available VW CarNet safe and secure emergency communication system, rear view camera, rain sensitive windshield wipers, 18-inch two-tone machined alloy wheels, cloud text and cloth seating surfaces, MIB3 composition media with AM/FM and HD radio, speed sensing steering, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.